Hello YouTube, we're on the Real Programming channel. I'm its host, my name is Andrei, I greet you, welcome. This is our 38th lesson. We're talking about HTML, PHP and MySql, and topic we will talking about alter table in database in PHP MySql. And for start planning for image file uploads in guitarwars, it's continue working with data stored in file stemma. Although it may not seem like a big deal to add support for uploadable screenshot images to guitarwars, the application must change in a variety of ways. For this reason, it's a good idea to have a plan of attack before diving into any code. Let's nail down in the steps required to revamp the guitarwars height score for screenshots. And the first, use alter to add a screenshot column to the table. First off is the database, which needs a new column for storing the name of each screenshot image file. Since we plan on putting all images files in the same folder, all we need to store in the database is the file name itself, no paths. 2. Change the add score form so that it uses a file input field to allow image file uploads. The add score page already has a form for adding score, so we need to modify that form and give it a file input field. This input field works in conjunction with the web browser to present the user with a user interface for selecting file to upload. And 3. Write a query to insert the screenshot image file name into the screenshot column of the table. The add score script that processes the form for adding scores must also take into consideration the new file input form field and handle inserting a screenshot images file name into the screenshot column when inserting a new height score row into the guitarwars table. And 4. Change the main guitarwars page to show screenshot images for the height scores. Last on the laundry list of changes involves the main index.php guitarwars page, which must be changed to actually show the screenshot image for each height score that is displayed. The height score database must be altered. In addition to a variety of PHP scripting tweaks, the image powered guitarwars application needs a new column in the guitarwars table to store a screenshot image file names enter MySql, which offers a statement called alter that is capable of modifying tables in all kinds of interesting ways, including adding a new columns of data. You used the alter statement in the previous chapter to tweak Almer's mail_list table, but let's recap how the command works. The alter statement is used to change the structure of the database. So, let's look on Sublime Text. And exactly you will find all the code materials of this lesson under this video in description link. The drop column statement drops an entire column from a table. The alter statement is used to change the structure of the database. The alter statement is often followed by table to indicate that you are going to alter a table. It's also possible to alter the structure of the entire database with alter database, but that's another story. Ok. Maybe that's a dangerous example, since it reveals how to drop an entire column from a table, data and all. Yet there certainly may be a situation where you need to remove a column of data from a table. It's more likely that you need to add a column of data, as is the case with the guitarwars. This is made possible by add column, which is one of several table alteration you can carry with alter. Okay, add column. adds a new column to a table, just specify the names of the column and its type following add column, alter table, guitarwars, add column, age, tiny int. Job column drops a column and any data stored in it from a table, just specify the name of the column following job column. Modify column changes the data type or position of a column within the table, just specify the name of the column and its new data type following modify column. To change the position of a column, specify the name of the column and its exact position. First is the only option here. Or relative position, alter another existing column specified by name. Here's and changed column changes the name and the data type of the column. Just specify the name of the old column, new column, and the new data type following changed column. And not this. This here. And sharpen your pencil, it's exercise. Let's look next slide. Write an SQL statement that adds a new column named screenshot to the guitarwars table. Make sure to give the new column a suitable MySQL data type. Then write another SQL query to check the structure of the table and make sure that the column was successfully added. Write the statement that adds in a comment, for example. And write the other SQL statement too. And let's look solution of this exercise in the next slide if you're ready. If you are not ready, take a pause. Okay, this is our solution. The alter statement table, a new screenshot column to the guitarwars table. Since the column is new, it starts out empty, null, for existing rows in the table. The alter statement doesn't affect any of the other table data. Add column indicates that we wanted to alter the table by adding a new column of data. The name and data type of the new column are specified last in the SQL query. 64 characters are enough to accommodate most image file name, although you can make the column even longer if you want to be extra safe. This statement displays the structure of the table, including the column names and their data types. The first step is done. Use alter to add a screenshot column to the table. And test drive. Add the screenshot column to the guitarwars table. Using MySQL tool, execute the alter statement to add the screenshot column to the guitarwars table. Then use the describe statement to take a look at the table structure and make sure the column was added. Using the describe statement reveals the new screenshot column. You can construct the initial guitarwars table by downloading the example code for guitarwars and then executing the SQL query found in the file guitarwars.sql. And how do we get an image from the user? Add images with the add score from and with there are no dumb questions. We will talking about this in the next lesson. And here is our 38th lesson about HTML PHP MySQL is over. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, please put likes, share with friends, comment, eat bananas, chocolate and nuts, drink more water for the brain, do exercise every evening and meditate, and so on. That's all. Thank you. Bye.